Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I am happy to bring you not only a project share, but I have reached 10,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how I am going to celebrate. So these are Christmas card kits. Now I've made in previous videos ones with a birthday theme, so I'll link that in the description box. You can go check that out. For these, I used files from Bumfuzzle Boutique. I will list her links in the description box. It's a digital scrapbooking, digital kit. And there's several different ones I used. I used some from what was called a Christmas in July paper kit. I used the Christmas gnomes, and I used Christmas sentiments. I'll link everything in the description box. But what this is, let me show you this one first. This is a Christmas card kit that has everything to make 6 cards. Now you could keep this for yourself, or you could give it to someone. It could be a kid or adult, or you could bring it for Thanksgiving dinner and put it together with everybody at the table. Now it does make 6 cards, but it'd be fun to do. I will caution you that this Santa Claus is holding a cold beverage with an umbrella. So, just use your own discretion on that. So what this comes with is a couple of different things. So this one has a box on one side and some pockets on the other. So I'm going to pull everything out and show you what we have. The cover has actually, on this one, has a card, and inside tells you how to make a card. So it tells you to center a cardstock base, and the colored cardstock to the front of card base. You know this is a card base because it says it on the label. So we will get some colored cardstock and center it on that card base. Now, I'm not going to glue it down, but I'll show you how it goes. And then centered pattern paper to the cardstock. Oh, let's use this. This looks like fun. Isn't that a fun tropical vibe there? So we'll put that there. And of course, I'm just showing you. I'm not going to glue it down like I say, so it could be centered. Then it tells you to adhere a square or rectangle on the card. And inside there is a little envelope that says rectangles and squares. I am just going to pick one out at random. Come on. Do I want that one? No, that's too matchy-matchy. We'll just go with this little tropical theme. And then choose a Santa or snowman or flamingo. I don't want to use the same Santa as what's on the cover. Let's go with this fun house with palm trees, and they're all lit. It looks like such a pretty little house. So there is that. And then choose a sentiment and adhere. So let's just choose a sentiment that says Merry. And there we go. There is a card. Perfect for gift giving. Now there's extra sentiments. You could put it inside. There's an extra pack of different fussy cuts. You can add that to the inside as well. You could put it here if you wanted to. You could do whatever you wanted to. So that is how to make the card, and that is my Christmas card kit. So now I made this one, and I liked these envelopes, but I thought, instead of an envelope, maybe I could use another box. So on this one, and this one features the Bumfuzzle Christmas gnomes. So that is the same. I mean, inside we've got the cardstock and pattern paper, card bases and envelopes. Here is the instructions that's in there. But instead of the Santa Claus and flamingos, and snowmen, we have some Christmas gnomes that come from Bumfuzzle Boutique's Christmas gnomes. So there are some cute ones there. So you can choose those and put it together as the focal point on a card. So I wanted to show you that, and I wanted to tell you something fantastic. So I hope you're a subscriber. I have made a file so you can make this yourself. So this is available for free for my 10,000 subscriber giveaway in my coffee shop. I will put that link in the description box. Go ahead and check that out. Go and get your cutting guide for the card kit book box, and there's also a video showing you how to make it. So that is what I have, and I want to thank you all. Thank you for subscribing. It means a lot to me. It means that you enjoy the content. You're making some of these projects as well and sharing it with others. Thank you again. Have a fabulous day.